Welcome viewers. Share prices of DCM Shriram Industries Limited and Indraprstha Medical Corporation Limited fell sharply in the last 2 weeks when the markets in general went up to scale new highs. This video is that's why we are posting this video in response to the various telephone calls from the viewers. Charts of share price of Indraprstha Medical Corporation and DCM Shriram Limited, along with chart of BSE Sensex in the last 2 weeks, is presented in this slide. Now coming specific to DCM Shriram Industries Limited stock, its share price dropped from its 52-week high of 172 rupees 45 paise on 29th November 2023 to current level in just 7 trading days, in line with sugar stocks. Sugar stocks fell in response to the government direction of last Thursday, directing sugar mills not to use cane juice or syrup to produce ethanol in a bid to increase sugar supplies by curtailing ethanol production. Fuel retailers and under current contracts are permitted to keep their procurement of ethanol derived from B-heavy molasses, a byproduct with higher sucrose levels, as per the government notification. It would also allow the diversion of 0.4 million metric tons of B-heavy molasses for ethanol production under existing contracts. See the facts. The above stand of the central government does not adversely impact the performance of DCM Shriram Industries Limited, as the company was not manufacturing ethanol from cane juice or syrup. It was manufacturing ethanol from B-heavy molasses only. Moreover, look at the company's segmental results. In its operating profits, just 16.69% came from sugar and distillery vertical, while the balance of 83.31% came from the chemicals, rayons and defense engineering verticals in the first half of this current fiscal. Its share price is trading around 152 rupees at a PE ratio of 14.59 against diversified industry PE ratio of 26.02. The company's three-way demerger should unlock potential of its 3 business verticals in the coming days. At the time of previous 4-way 1990 demerger, share price of DCM Limited rose from 2nd April 1990 price of 57 rupees 50 paise to as high as 275 rupees by 15th April 1991. Similar re-rating chances of DCM Shriram Industries Limited shares before the record date of its present 3-way demerger should not be ignored. Please note that markets today are in stronger bullish mode than they were in 1990-1991 period. Now let us look at Indraprstha Medical Corporation Limited share. Share price of Indraprstha Medical Corporation dropped from its 52-week high of 229 rupees 80 paise as on 24th November 2023 due to negative report published in Telegraph UK Daily on 3rd December 2023. Subsequent to the report, the Delhi state government has called for an inquiry into the allegations against the Delhi Apollo Hospitals unit. Health Department of the central government also announced an inquiry into the allegations raised by the Telegraph Daily of UK. The company in question, Indraprstha Medical Corporation, has refuted the allegations of Telegraph Daily and assured of their full cooperation for the proposed inquiries of the state government as well as central government, and it has informed the same to both the exchanges BSc and NSc. We had gone through the full published report of the Telegraph Daily and had a feeling that it was not at all a news item. It seems to be a motivated, planted report quoting 2016 news item. Our sources from the healthcare industry express that casting aspersions on the Apollo hospitals management may not be correct, and all the native media report might have been induced by business rivals of Apollo Hospitals Group. Track record of the Telegraph is also filled with number of defamation claims, and some of them leading to court awards against the Telegraph Daily also. In 2020, Geoffrey Rush, the Australian actor and also Oscar winner, has major court win against the Daily Telegraph. See what News Daily reported in 2020. Oscar winner was the last year awarded almost $2.9 million in damage over the defamatory articles published by the Daily Telegraph in 2017. In his lengthy judgment spanning more than 200 paragraphs, Justice Vignay described the newspaper article as recklessly irresponsible journalism and rejected their counter arguments. Presently, shares of Indraprstha Medical Corporation are trading around 187 at a PE ratio of just 18.49 against the prevailing healthcare industry PE ratio of 49.93. Valuation data metrics of the peers of Indraprstha Medical Corporation and its peers are shown in this slide. We are not concerned to find the actual ulterior motives of the disputable Telegraph UK report on Indraprstha Medical Corporation. It can be to protect the interests of British healthcare industry and or to help any global healthcare company to buy the shares of Indraprstha Medical Corporation Limited at lower levels in a probable takeover bid. Following parts of the Telegraph report itself reveal the motives. Globally, 1 out of 10 transplanted organs have been trafficked, as per the estimates. National Health Survey data shows that at least 158 British patients have travelled abroad for organ operations since 2010. According to the figures, the majority of these operations, roughly around 25% of them, were conducted in India, which has long had a problem with organ trafficking. They reported. Then why they have singled out Apollo Group? There was no reference to the other 75% of the operations done in countries other than India. It is up to the management of the Indraprstha Medical Corporation to take dispute to the logical end and getting the due defamation compensation from them, or to condone the Telegraph Daily and ignore them. We are presenting this video without any fear or favor in response to the various telephone calls from the viewers. We believe that the stock of DCM Shriram Industries Limited and Indraprstha Medical Corporation Limited have the potential of giving more than 100% returns in the next 1 year from the current levels, if not multi-bagger returns. Remember what the global investment guru and Warren Buffett's long-term business partner and right-hand force, late Charles T Munger, rightly said, investors misprice investments on the downside, and that is the time to buy. Disclaimer. Viewers may please note that this is not a buy or sell recommendation. This research report is posted for sharing the knowledge only with utmost care and diligence for factual data and contents. Neither the researcher nor the research organization of this post own any risk and responsibility for the results of the viewers' investment decisions on these stocks. Viewers need to take their investment calls on the advice of their personal investment advisors. If you like the contents of this post, please subscribe, like, and share this video.